In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI WhatsApp chatbot using n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that receives a WhatsApp message, sends it to an AI model with memory, and replies back to the user automatically. Start by opening your n8n workspace and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. Before we connect anything, make sure your WhatsApp Business API is set up in Meta for developers. You'll need a WhatsApp business account, a test or business phone number, and an app with the WhatsApp product added. This is essential because n8n will listen for messages coming from Meta and send replies through that same channel. From your Meta dashboard, locate your temporary access token, your phone number ID, and your WhatsApp business account ID. Keep these safe and store them as n8n credentials rather than hard coding them. Temporary tokens expire, so plan to create a longer-lived token for production when you're ready. Back in n8n, add a WhatsApp trigger node. This will listen for incoming messages. Configure it with the credentials you saved and select message-related events. The node will show you a webhook URL. Copy this, then head back to your Meta app settings to paste it into your webhook configuration. Subscribe to message events, complete the verification step, and make sure your test number is approved to send messages to your bot. Next, connect the trigger to an AI agent node. Inside the agent, add a chat model such as OpenAI or another supported provider and supply your model credentials securely. Add a window buffer memory node to the agent so the chatbot remembers recent conversation turns. A short memory window helps maintain context without driving up token usage. Define your system prompt to shape the bot's behavior. Be explicit about tone, role, and constraints, what the assistant should and shouldn't do based on your use case. Clear instructions here dramatically improve responses. Now add a WhatsApp send message node. Use the same WhatsApp credentials, set the recipient to the sender's phone number coming from the trigger, and map the message body to the AI agent's generated text. This creates the loop. Trigger in, AI response generated, message out. Save your workflow and test it by sending a message to your WhatsApp business number. Watch the execution in n8n to confirm the message flows through each node. If you see AUth or permission errors, double-check your token, phone number ID, and webhook subscriptions. Once everything works, activate the workflow so it runs continuously. Keep an eye on token expiration, message quotas, and error logs. That's it. Your AI WhatsApp chatbot is live with n8n.